In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rules and costs to your online store. Setting up shipping rules and costs is an essential part of managing an e-commerce business, ensuring that your customers have a seamless experience when purchasing products from your store. So, let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Store section of your online store dashboard. Once you're there, locate and click on the Shipping and Delivery option. This is the hub where all your shipping preferences are configured, and it's an invaluable tool for streamlining your order fulfillment process. When you're in the shipping and delivery menu, you'll see a variety of options to customize. Focus on finding the section that allows you to add shipping rules and costs. These settings are crucial, as they define the logistics of how products will reach your customers. Take a moment to consider your existing shipping policies and what your customers expect. Maybe you offer free shipping over a certain amount, or perhaps you're shipping internationally and need to account for that in your pricing. These are the types of scenarios your shipping rules can cater to. Start by deciding what rules you need to implement. If you want to encourage larger orders, consider setting up a rule that offers free shipping on orders over a specified price. Alternatively, if you're looking to ship worldwide, ensure that you have different rates set for various regions. This can help you manage your costs more effectively while providing your customers with accurate shipping estimates. Once you've determined what shipping rules you need, it's time to input them into the system. Carefully enter each rule, taking note of the details like price thresholds, shipping zones, and delivery speed options. Double-check your information to avoid any errors that could disrupt the customer experience. It's always a good idea to revisit the shipping costs set by your carriers to ensure that your charges align with what you're paying. After you've entered all the necessary shipping rules and costs, take a moment to review everything. This is your chance to spark check for any inconsistencies or missing pieces that you might have overlooked. If your platform allows for test orders, consider running through the process as a customer would, to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly and your rules are applied as you intended. Finally, when you're confident that everything is in place and working correctly, go ahead and click Save. This final step locks in your settings, making them live on your store. Congratulations, you've just added your shipping rules and costs, bringing you one step closer to a more efficient and user-friendly shopping experience for your customers. And there you have it, everything you need to know about setting up your shipping rules and costs. With these changes, your store is now better equipped to handle orders efficiently and provide excellent customer service.